This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday morning, June 22nd. James Spann back in the saddle after a little time off last week. Hot weather's the story for the first half of this week, but heat levels come down before the week is over. Check it out this morning. Water vapor satellite view ridging across the southern U.S., but the core of the heat is off to the west. You can see that 594 circle over Arizona, New Mexico, and West Texas, and they were blazing out there yesterday. Phoenix did 107. And they're going to stay hot for a while. In fact, later this week, as the ridge pumps up in the west, a trough develops over the east. We cool down, and if anything, their numbers will go up even more. Starting off the day, mostly in the 70s, although Coleman and Fort Payne are in the upper 60s. We'll expect a high in the mid-90s in most spots today, maybe upper 90s in a few spots. Heat advisory criteria kind of varies from region to region, but the counties in orange, that's where it's in effect. That would include places like Kansas City and Memphis, parts of the Atlantic Coast region around Charleston. No advisories for our state. And as you might expect in this summer pattern, the severe weather will be well to the north of here. In fact, there is an enhanced risk of severe weather today for cities like Chicago, Madison, Milwaukee, Grand Rapids, and Detroit. Tomorrow, a couple of slight risk well to the north. And on Wednesday, a slight risk, again, for places like Des Moines and Indianapolis. All right, check it out. QPF chart. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Saturday morning, suggesting rain amounts of about a quarter to a half inch here. And rain chances will clearly increase late in the week, but today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, showers will be few and far between. Weather in the tropics, the Atlantic Basin, very quiet. And one reason for that is this. The Sahara dust layer coming off of the African continent. And obviously with dry air like that across the deep tropics, nothing's going to happen, at least in the short term. Let's check it out, model fans. Here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. You can see that 594 ring west of the state, but it's going to be hot enough. We'll expect mid-90s. The GFS is printing 94, the NAM at 96 today. And showers, they're possible, but boy, finding one should be very, very challenging. Most everybody will be dry. Same thing tomorrow. Hot with hazy sunshine, the chance of a shower small. Upper 90s, a distinct possibility tomorrow. And this is Wednesday. You can see that 594 ring really covers much of the southern U.S. And again, it's going to be very hot with mid to upper 90s. Showers very, very isolated at best. But on Thursday, heights begin to come down. We could see a few scattered afternoon storms. And look at Friday. You can see the pattern changing. The ridge pumping up in the west, but a trough developing in the east. And that means rain chances going up. We'll see scattered, maybe numerous showers and thunderstorms on Friday, and a good chance we stay in the 80s all day because of clouds and showers. It'll be like a cool wave here in summertime. And really, that's going to be the setup for the weekend. And if you got plans outdoors, it's not going to be a total wash, but dodging showers and storms, a very real possibility both days. It's Saturday and this is Sunday. And again, looks like highs for the weekend will be only in the middle 80s, well below average for late June. We'll take that. And look at Monday of next week. Look at the trough in the east and the ridge in the west at 594 circle, pumped up to Idaho and Washington and Montana. But for us, the trough is the story, and again, highs should be in the 80s, and there could be a few scattered showers and storms about, although this run trying to suggest maybe some drier air creeps in here. We'll check the end of the forecast, the 1st of July, and look at that. The eastern trough is still in place. And temperature should be below average with a chance of scattered showers if this verifies. Temperatures coming off the ensembles. You can see the hot weather in the short term, but the highs go back in the 80s over the upcoming weekend. That'll be very nice. And temperatures, the anomalies here, this is June 29th through July 5th, suggesting below average for much of the middle of the country, above average in the northwest and over parts of Florida. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.